What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So if you guys watched some of the previous videos, you would know I went to Houston recently to pick up some rare JDM goodies with my boy Ricardo. So I am back at the family house and a lot of you guys love this car. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer GT that is far from stock, turbocharged, bunch of rare JDM goodies. You guys know I'm a sucker for ERC parts. But yeah, back here, I recently picked up some items. If you guys didn't watch, one of the items I picked up is this Monster Sport Titanium exhaust manifold. So let me show you guys where it goes. Let's just take a minute to appreciate how beautiful this thing looks. So if you guys are wondering why is it blue in color, that's because with the heat, titanium changes color to like a bluish, purplish color. This one is used, it's discontinued. Monster Sport makes a lot of cool stuff for like the Evo 1 to 9, the Suzuki Swift, as well as the Evo 10. So this would pretty much go where the exhaust manifold is for the turbo manifold and pretty much keeps it a little bit cooler. And it looks cool, JDM points. So if you take a look back here, I have the OEM TD04 Rallinspired exhaust manifold right back there, kind of crusty looking. So what this does, it pretty much covers it. So first things first, I gotta remove my strut bar. I have this carbon titanium strut bar. It's kind of in the way, so super easy. Just gotta remove 1, 2, 3 of these strut tower bolts, 3 on each side, 15mm. Carbon strut bar comes right off, and we have more room to install this. Alright, so I was able to pretty much loosen up the carbon strip bar and pretty much fandango this all the way and slide it in there. So right now I just gotta line up the holes. There's 2 10mm bolts, one there, one right here, and yeah, all set. Here's a little snippet, looks so good. Let me go ahead and put back the carving strut bar, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys how it looks. Alright, and all set. So if you guys are wondering, like I said, this is a carbon strut bar, another JDM brand. These titanium bolts are from JD Customs. These are from like Chasing J's. So Chasing J's, JD Customs, they have like titanium bolts and all these titanium goodies. Like all these titanium from Chasing J's, you can still get them. But the ERC stuff are discontinued, so rare and expensive. But yeah, Monster Sport is another one. To be honest, that wasn't really on the list of stuff to buy for the car because I wasn't sure if it's going to fit, and I didn't even know such a thing existed, but I think it definitely makes it look a lot better. So it does serve a purpose besides engine bling. When you buy it, it's all in raw titanium, so it's all kind of like a silver color, but then over time, like I said, with the engine heat and all that, it kind of turns a little bit of a purplish bluish color, so pretty sweet. Alright, so besides that Monster Sport part, I also have another part here that I just picked up. So our holy grail of ERC parts, you guys would know, there is probably, well, from what I know and from what the seller told me, there's maybe like 3 of these in the entire United States, 3 to 5, and I'm hoarding 2 of them. So what makes this super rare, firstly, is discontinued for over 10 years. So you really have to find it. It took me 2 years to find one. And now I'm a proud owner of 2. If you notice, the color is a little bit different. They have the exact same part, both meant for the Evo 10. But these came raw titanium, meaning in this color. And then they slowly burnt it. So it gives it a nice finish. This one I have on the car is a little more blue. This one here is a little more purple. So very, very cool. I love it. Obviously these parts are used. The one I have on the car has a little dent right here that kind of bugs me. This one doesn't, so I might rock this one. This one does have some scuff right here though, but that's towards the turbo, so I don't think anyone's really going to see it. So yeah, what do you guys think? The blue or the purple? Alright, so this might seem like a super random video, but I just want to show you guys a quick little install. Again, I'm super stoked. I never thought I needed this part on my car. And yes, the OEM Rallinspired exhaust manifold is pretty ugly. So I was going to order the aftermarket one. But if you guys know, for the Rallinspired, there's only one aftermarket company, strictly modified, that makes an exhaust manifold. Really beautiful piece, but it's like $1,000 for the exhaust manifold. I could have got it, but then, hey, just by having the Monster Sport exhaust manifold, it looks pretty. It's rare, it's JDM, discontinued, and it covers it. It looks so much better. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it or not? And if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.